I'm here for a no heat on his boiler. Not firing up, so let's check it out. Thermostat has a coil. The damper looks like it's not moving. So let's see what's happening with this thing. Power's on, of course. Else I wouldn't be seeing anything there also. We got orders forced through. Okay. Yep. Water's nice and clean. Now, first thing first, that motor in the back has to open. And that's going to get the signal off of a thermostat. Here is the other end of that wire. Right here. So, two of these wires are constant power to that motor. And then two of them are a switch. So when that motor makes, one of the wires is going to send power back down to turn on the boiler. See, this is coming down to our rollout, and off the rollout to yellow wire, yellow and red, which see the yellow and red here, and where is it headed? And then it comes up with these, comes across and into the low water cutoff. So let's start at the beginning. I hate this bag. So let's see if we got power. Right here hits the rollout and thermocouple, which is going to act almost like a ground. 7.5. So I do have power. Go to the hot side of my transformer. I mean the common 3. So 7.5 I'm going to read. That's the power because it's not grounded in either direction. So now we're feeding power into here. Right here. Here's 24 in. Always hot, and then 24 on the other side. I should get my needle probes because it doesn't fit. No he-manning the boiler. Not destroy plugs. So we're gonna get my needle probes come in handy. That, or you will be destroying lots of these things. So I should go get my Flue probes. And even here I'm having a hard time back probing. They did not want to let me in. Okay, there we go. In. Now we're going to come across on the other side. And out. Zero. Okay. And we'll add 0 here. Alright. Yeah, we're not reading. Good thing. Yellow. There's power. Yellow off the transformer. Okay, yeah. Now I actually see yellow and purple are going to be the power feed for the motor to always be hot. Yep. 26, that's always hot. That makes this my switch, which should read 0. But instead I got 25 because the switch is not made. But to have power even going up this circuit is telling me that I have a call. Nah, the purple is coming in the top. The yellow is going back. So the yellow is going to be my common wire. 25. Let's disconnect from here. Because I even have, let's see, where is it? In my bag. There's you keep one of these things. Where is it hiding? Did I put it in here? Nope. So in the bottom of my bag it loves to hide. For testing this stuff. There's you keep. As I say that, I can't find it now. Well, it's becoming a mess. Let's take everything out. Oh wait, let me put it in here. That's why I can't find it in there right now. Pretty sure I hit it on myself in here. Did I? Bueller, yep. Alright. I'm not going to be able to let it run for long like this because we will roll out, but no, this plug won't work. It's not the right plug. But it's a jumper for some of them. But unless that's open, it doesn't matter. So I disconnected power. Great air compressors. That motor's humming. Is it moving? Are we opening? Yep, it's opening now. It was stuck. And we're fired up. So now I gotta replace the damper. Gonna go grab one. Alright, there's no easy way really to get to this thing. There's not much to it. Pretty much have this plug here. Yeah, let me get my arm in. This pops off. So I mean, then you got this Molex plug right here. That's about it. So I got a Philly here and a Philly there. You gotta go by feel. Okay, out. Top on. Alright, motor's disconnected. There's a little switchboard here, and that's how it works. That's the new one. Went from a metal to a plastic body. Obviously you could take the heat of that exhaust. Gotta just kind of unclip this. Squeeze and push. Oh, dun. Squeeze and whatever. I mean, let me get a little screwdriver, make it easier. Anything to make it easier. Watch the hand, squeeze and push. Okay, that's through, that's through. Must be tough because it got spread out further. Okay, that's through. Now there's one more. One more wanting to fight. They always want to fight. Nothing ever wants to come out easy. Oh. Just give in. Fight the resistance. You got no choice. There you go. Alright, that's out. Now, just unplug this. Use your hand. You can do whatever you want. But boom. Bang. New one's just going to plug right in. You gotta line the motor up. Now I got it out. There's going to be resistance on the open because it's got brushes. So as you can see, it's going around in a circle. It's got wire brushes that rub along the wall. And that's where it's getting stuck. It's right in this spot where the wire brushes that seal the exhaust up is there. Get my arms in here. Alright. Let's get the first screw in. This plugging in is usually very easy. I can do that. 1, 2, 3. We gotta line up the round part. Round part here. Bang, we're in. In. You got to switch for manual or auto. Right now it's hold open. Let's put it in automatic. Most guys will just flip it so it goes off, and it doesn't do that no more. When there's a problem, instead of changing it, and I think it's better to change, but do whatever you feel like doing. Not gonna lie, if it's a nighttime service call, I may just flip it open and come back. Get that started. Can't get through that hole. Where is it? It should be right here. Going by feel in the dark with no hand to guide me in. Top one. Alright, now let me get out of space. When we energize it, first thing that happens is it's going to close. Let's get my flashlight off. So, right now, when it gets its coil, it should start to close. I don't know if it's a digital or what upstairs. Okay, there we go. It's actually opened. So it was opening. Let's take the coil away so that it'll want to close. That's why it's always got power. So it'll power open and closed. Wait, ow, I forgot my knee pad wasn't under my knee and I came down as if it was. That hurt. My knee pad's getting wet. Blah! Dirty, muddy water. Get away from my knee pad. Whoosh. Boom, boom. Okay. Coil for heat. We could kill the coil right here. Do. No more coil for heat. So now we don't have a coil for heat no more. The damper should close. Should. Hello. Unless I took the power past it. You son of a... Yeah, that's the power back off, down. Okay, power up. If that. Dun. Hey, we're just coming on, off. But I accidentally hit it in the wrong spot. I don't think I did. Thermostat. I could kill it here. Just to show you guys. I don't gotta get back to being serious. Here's another beauty from how somebody set this up. I don't think it's big that this control should be facing this way. But that's somebody probably on the maintenance putting it in like that. What does this thing do? Just my thermostat in. Yeah, maybe easier. Instead of untwisting that beautiful twist, and that solid wire, let's just do a lift off. Now we're off. Now our damper should close. Coil's gone, damper's shutting, down. Even if I energize, it's going to continue. And it swings shut. But here we go. So coil for heat, or even it shuts down when this makes. So let's turn that a little bit. Okay. Tuck it back in, and we are opening. And that's how that damper works. Off, making a little switch and sending the power back off that little circuit board. Well, boiler's up and running. Till next time, I'm out.